Hey everyone, looking to stack an extra $100 a day without quitting your 9 to 5? Whether you're saving for something big, trying to get out of debt, or building your wealth, these 10 proven side hustles can get you there fast. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Flip free stuff on Facebook Marketplace. There's money in the junk people give away for free. Check out Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace for free furniture, electronics, or bikes. Clean them up, fix what's easy, then flip them for profit. One flipped dresser can bring in your $100 for the day, easy. Next up, freelance your skills on Fiverr or Upwork. Got a skill like writing, graphic design, or video editing? Great. If not, don't worry. Tools like Canva and ChatGPT can help you deliver professional work without much experience. Land two $50 gigs a day, and you're golden. Third, affiliate marketing with short-form video. Use platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Create simple, faceless product review or lifestyle videos, and drop your affiliate links in the bio. Just a few sales a day can bring in $100 or more, especially if you're consistent. Fourth, thrift flipping, clothes and shoes. Go treasure hunting at your local thrift store. Look for brand name shoes, vintage tees, or designer jeans. Flip those on eBay, Poshmark, or Depop. A couple of good flips can bring in $30, $50 profit each. Number 5, food delivery apps. Apps like DoorDash, Uber Eats, and Instacart let you earn on your own schedule. Work during lunch and dinner rush hours and stack up tips and bonuses. Most people can hit $100 in just 3-5 hours. Sixth, sell custom t-shirts. Got a message or brand? Put it on a shirt. Use Printful or a local printer and sell your shirts online or in person. Focus on local pride and motivational quotes. Those always hit. Sell 5 to 10 shirts a day at $20, $25, and you've hit your goal. Seventh, trade SPY options. If you've been learning stock options, SPY is a great place to focus. With the right strategy and discipline, just 1 or 2 good trades a day can get you to $100. But remember, practice first, manage your risk, and never trade money you can't afford to lose. Number 8, sell digital products. Create and sell digital planners, templates, ebooks, or Notion dashboards. Platforms like Gumroad and Etsy make it easy. The beauty? It's passive income once it's set up. Sell 5 items a day at $20 and boom, $100 in your sleep. Ninth, start a faceless YouTube channel. You don't have to show your face to win on YouTube. Make videos on motivation, money tips, or trending topics using stock footage and AI voiceovers. With some consistency and smart content, you can start making $100/day from AdSense and affiliate links in just a few months. Finally, become a virtual assistant. Small businesses and content creators always need help. Offer services like managing emails, posting on social media, or organizing files. 2 clients paying you $500/month each is all it takes to clear $100 a day. There you have it. 10 legit ways to make $100 a day and start building real wealth. Which one are you starting first? Let me know in the comments or DM me if you want help getting started. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more ways to build wealth without breaking yourself. This is Wealth Builders, helping you earn smarter, not harder.